Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Zaconni lever machine with us in the shop. And I came in because the machine, when you hit the power button, it wasn't actually lighting up. It wasn't doing anything. So we went in there, tested the fuse, which is right here, and we seen that the fuse had went out. And so this wouldn't allow power into any of your machine. And so when we replaced it, turned it back on, works great. And so just to show you that we do have pressure in there, we're gonna open this valve. As you can see, we have pressure in there. There's quite a lot of water. I did fill the boiler a little bit, so don't worry about that. And just to show you that the grip head's working. As you can see, working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.